Okay, so before we start this round, let me just give you a few pointers. You have 1 minute for this. It's plenty of time to answer 5 words, okay? If you need me to repeat the word, you can ask me any number of times. When you give me your answer, be as clear as possible. Okay? If I can't hear it clearly, then I can't give you the correct marks for it.
Okay, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Great. Your 1 minute starts now. First word, timber.
Pardon?
Timber.
Timber. T-I-M-B-E-R. Timber.
That's absolutely right. Second word, screech.
Pardon?
Screech.
Screech. S-C-R-E-E-C-H.
That's correct. Third word, rooster.
Pardon?
Rooster.
Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R.
Correct. That's absolutely right. On to your fourth word now, certificate.
Pardon?
Certificate.
Certificate. C-E-R-T-I-F-I-C-A-T-E.
That's absolutely right. And on to your fifth and final word. Oh,
Your time is up.
just out of time. You got all 4 words that you attempted correctly. So please give him a huge round of applause.
Aditya S. Masalekar from St. Josephine School.
Your 1 minute starts now. First word, dragon.
D-R-A-G-O-N.
That's right. Second word, cooperate.
Pardon?
Cooperate.
C-O-O-P-E-R-A-T-E.
Can you repeat that, please?
C-O-O-P-E-R-A-T-E.
That's correct. Third word, sanction.
Sanction. S-A-N-C-T-I-O-N.
That's absolutely right. On to your fourth word now, affluent.
A-F-F-L-U-E-N-T.
That's right. And your fifth and final word, excessive.
E-X-C-E-S-S-I-V-E.
That's right. Brilliant. Great job. You've got
time also
all
just
5
completed.
correct.
Next, can we have Suhani Jha from Candor International School?
First word, obligate.
Meaning?
Obligate means to bind a person legally or morally.
O-B-L-E-G-A-T-E.
Very close, just 1 letter off. Second word, projector.
P-R-O-J-E-C-T-O-R.
That's right. Third word, senator. Senator means a member of parliament. Senator. Senator. Quick guess or pass it, I'd suggest.
S-E-N-I-T-O-R.
Very close, but incorrect. Fourth word, barricade.
B-A-R-R-I-C-A-D-E.
That's absolutely right. Fifth word, anecdote.
A-N-E-C-D-O-T-E.
That's right. And that was just in the nick of time.
Okay, next, Sriya Sohn from Candor International School.
Your 1 minute starts now. First word, dwindle.
D-W-I-N-D-L-E.
Absolutely right. Second word, fugitive.
Can you repeat that?
Fugitive.
F-U-G-I-T-I-V-E.
Correct. Third word, generic.
G-E-N-E-R-I-C.
That's right. Fourth word, judicious.
J-U-D-I-C-I-O-U-S.
That's right. And fifth and final word, fragile.
F-R-A-G-I-L-E.
That's right. Excellent.
Next, we have Asta Ambedkar from NPS School, Shivamogga.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your 1 minute starts now. First word, erstwhile.
Pizza.
Erstwhile. It means from another time.
ASTWILE.
Very close, but incorrect. Second word, catastrophe.
CATTE. CATTATROPHE.
Very close again, with just a couple of letters off. Third word, linguist. Linguist.
LINGUIST.
Absolutely correct. Fourth word, battalion.
BETTALEON.
Again, really close. Just one letter off. But please give her a big round of applause. Those were really tough words.